Welcome back to another keyword research video. I'm so happy that you're here. And I wanted to share this adorable niche. This is so cute. This is cut out paper dolls. Okay. This is so cute. I wish I had daughters. You guys know I have three boys. And when I found out I was pregnant with my first, which was a boy, I cried because I have five sisters. I totally thought that, God would be like, hey, have a daughter. Not the case. I have three boys. Okay. So I get super excited about stuff like this. And what's really fun about this is I want to give you some data on this book because I'm going to pull up my calculator because it is 36 plus 9. So it is 45 months old. And if it's been making $22 a day, 45, sorry, let's figure this out, times this book has made $30,000. Okay. That's what's so cool about KDP. So this book has made $30,000. And what's working for it is they are visually telling the buyer, like, you're going to cut this out. And I've done some cut and cut. I've done some cut out. And all you need is a free element from Canva that has the scissors and the dots. Okay. And you see how they've put lines around these characters? Like, it is so cute. Maybe because I'm a woman that I think it's cute. But I just want to remind you that, like, when you have a passion towards a niche, that makes all the difference. Okay. So, what's really cool about this brand is that it's high quality and they have built out 24 different books with dolls. So, I love this. So, let's go down and check out something that is adorable. That's the A plus content. Okay. This is really what's going to sell the book, is like actually seeing it in the hands of who's going to use it. Okay. Boredom buster as a gift. Okay. It's so cute. I just keep saying it's so cute. It's a $30,000 book brand, basically. Okay. So it is, I don't know what else to tell you guys about it other than I'm so excited. Let's actually look on the fashion paper. Now, you might be thinking, Jenny, how did you find this? Like, this is what I do all day. Today, I had like four different keyword research calls where I had one to ones with clients where we did keyword research and we found the craziest stuff. When I got off the phone or when I got off Zoom, I went and told my husband, like, you need to do something like this in your KDP account. And I told the client that, like, hey, we could work on this together. And she said, do you ever have that experience where shiny object syndrome, like you're a coach, you're teaching people book profitability, but then you find a profitable niche and like does that sway you? And that's why I make videos for you guys, because there is endless wealth in the world, there's endless abundance, there's endless money in the world. And I my goal is to help 1,000 families publish. It's not to publish 1,000 books. When I got started, it was kind of that. But then once I started seeing the money and like seeing all the opportunity, I was raised by a politician, you guys. So like when I was little, I was going door to door to try to get people to vote for my dad. So like, and I was a missionary for my church. And so like I have knocked on doors to try to get people to believe in Jesus Christ. I've had dogs sicked on me when I was little. I've had a gun pulled on me. There's been so many experience, not a gun pulled on me, but a guy answered the door and had a gun with him. So there's been like a lot of experiences where like if I believe in the message, I'm going to go forth and I'm going to like proselyte. So that's why I share this. But I want also, if you're new to Amazon KDP, I want you to look at this and I want you to admire how cohesive this brand is. If you're like tuning off this video and like exiting out of YouTube to be like, oh, I'm going to go hurry and throw this up really fast, don't do that to the Amazon customer. Don't do that for everybody else that really wants to put in time and talent into making a book. So I told you that that book was a $30,000 book brand, but they have more. They have more, you guys. And that's what is so cool about this brand. Oh, adorable. Look, they're doing more like dolls. I love it. I want to look at it. So you might be thinking, like, I don't have the skill set for this. This doesn't happen overnight, but if you don't quit, you can't lose. Okay. And like, if I have granddaughters, you guys, oof, I might be making paper dolls with them. Look at this, a doctor. Those are so cute. Okay, now this one, it doesn't sell as well. But like the BSR is still under 1 million. That means it sells monthly. Okay, so let's actually look at Bookbeam, my favorite plugin tool. And like this book sold on Monday. Okay, and Tuesday. This book sold. Okay, this book is selling like it's selling monthly. Okay, let's look at it over the course of a year. Like, this is a great book to have in your KDP bookshelf. And I just want to give a big shout out to this person that has spent the time building the brand. And if you decide to offer something like this, think about the customer base, don't copy, use inspiration, go forth and publish. Love you guys. See you in the next video. All right, sorry, I said goodbye, but I actually didn't mean it. I wanted to just commend how good this brand is. They might even have things trademarked so people can't copy and steal, which you shouldn't do even if it's not trademarked. But I want to give them a shout out for how good their author central is. Their bio, everything looks so good. And I wanted to show you how cohesive this is, that if there is one customer that is excited about one book, they're going to come back for more. Okay. And so you can see this here, right? This book makes $24 a day. Let's just actually add this up really fast because I'm so pumped for them. $24 for one book, $34 for one book, $18 for another book, $2 for another book. Let's scroll down. Okay, these are selling monthly but not daily. Okay, still like an awesome brand. Okay, so that's still $30,000 brand. Okay, so shout out to people that are like putting in the work. Shout out to people that are really in touch with their customer base and they're really over delivering. Okay, here's also the interesting thing, like their oldest book is their best book. So don't ever overlook the opportunity to publish. You know, it's almost 4 years old and it's still going strong. So if it's 4 years old and they built out this brand, this brand, just this pen name has made $113,000. Amazing. Go forth, use inspiration, don't copy, be wise. Love you guys. See you for real in the next video.